crafty people. In this video we're going to be talking about abbreviation SK, which stands for skip. Skip is used when you're crocheting a series of stitches and you don't work a particular spot or a particular stitch and you skip it over, you leave it unworked. So in this pattern, that's kind of like a granny type pattern. I know I use a lot of these because they're just so quick and fun to make, but in this pattern we encounter SK, skip, on both repeats of the rows. So this is a 2-row repeat, and in this row you double crochet 3 into a chain space and you skip the single crochet here. So I've got the 3 double crochets. I'm gonna skip the single crochet and work 3 double crochet into the chain 3 space. Then I'm gonna work another double crochet into that last single crochet. So I've skipped this single crochet needs to be worked because it's the edge. And let's do an illustration on the other side of the SK or skip abbreviation. So I've done the step up, I've got the single crochet, and now I've got to chain 3, skip 3 stitches, and single crochet between the first 3 stitches and the next 3 stitches. And I'll do that again. Chain 3, skip 3 stitches, and crochet in between those skipped 3 stitches and the next set of 3 stitches. So there you go. That is skip. It helps you understand what stitches you're working and which stitches you're leaving untouched.